Want to create stunning AI images for free? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to generate amazing images in just a few minutes, even if you're a complete beginner. Welcome to AI Creator Hub. On this channel, you'll learn AI tools, ChatGPT, AI videos, AI images, and much more. Let's get started. Before we start, let's understand what an AI image generator is. An AI image generator is a tool that creates images from simple text prompts. Just type what you want, and the AI will generate an image in seconds. You can create realistic photos, digital artwork, YouTube thumbnails, logos, fantasy scenes, and much more without any design skills. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create amazing AI images for free, step by step. So let's get started. Okay, in the first, you open your Chrome and then search ChatGPT. After searching, open the website, or you install it from Play Store. First, open ChatGPT and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free in just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, click on the chat box and type a clear prompt describing the image you want. For this example, I'll type, "A futuristic cyberpunk city at sunset, ultra-realistic, cinematic lighting, 8K. Now press enter and let ChatGPT generate the image. It may take a few seconds. It usually takes just a few seconds to generate the image, depending on the complexity of the prompt. And here it is. As you can see, ChatGPT has created a high-quality image based entirely on my text prompt. The best part is that you don't need any graphic design skills. Just describe your idea clearly, and the AI brings it to life. For even better results, try adding details like the art style, lighting, camera angle, colors, and image quality. The more specific your prompt is, the better your image will be. Now, let me show you another example with a different prompt so you can compare the results. Depending on your internet connection and the complexity of your prompt, it may take a few seconds to finish. While we wait, let's talk about something important. ChatGPT doesn't randomly create images. It carefully reads every word in your prompt and then uses AI to generate an image based on your description. That's why writing a good prompt is one of the most important skills when creating AI images. Great, the image is now ready. Let's take a closer look at the result. As you can see, the image includes the futuristic city, the sunset lighting, and the cyberpunk style that we described in the prompt. The colors are vibrant, the lighting looks cinematic, and the overall quality is very impressive. If you don't like the first result, don't worry. You can always edit your prompt and generate another version. For example, you can add words like highly detailed, ultra-realistic, cinematic lighting, 8K, or even specify the camera angle to improve the final image. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Create with AI for more AI tools, ChatGPT tutorials, prompt engineering tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.